Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this body is designed here, and this is a, you can see here easily, and this is a looking on the screen a simple and a small project is designed here, and this is a looking so perfect, and this is a steel material is a steel used here, and this is a cup is defined here, a cup is created here. Okay, and this part and this 3D model is designed, all process is learn here step by step, and today discuss here. Okay, and this body is a multi-section view is drawing here, and okay, this body is looking perfect, and okay, this body click here, and this is a isometric view is okay, and some looking perfect, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect body, body like a nice looking here, and this body is how to easily draw this body, and all process is learn one by one is discuss here. Okay, okay, okay guys, let's start. Okay, and at first click a mechanical design and select a generative sheet metal design. Okay, and click a part. Okay, at first select a plane is a XY plane, and this is a position a sketch draw here, and this is a sweep and reverse vertical. Click OK, all is perfect, and click a circle is draw here, and mention any dimension. This dimension is a 150 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Exit, and this button is click here, and this is a sheet metal parameters, and at first click this button because all 3D command is not activated, and at first click this and all command is activated. Okay, and thickness is 0.95 millimeter. Okay, and default bend radius is 4 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a wall is select this, and direction is inside, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a this sheet is created here, and plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, okay, this sheet is looking perfect, and okay, this is a correct, and this thickness is a 0.95 millimeter. Okay, and select this face and position a sketch and sweep and reverse vertical, and click OK, and select this offset command, and anywhere click here, and okay, this is a distance is a okay, -7 is correct, minus okay, -3, okay, -6 is correct. Okay, and exit. Okay, and this is a click a surface stamp. This surface stamp command is click here, and this angle is a 60 degree, and this thickness is a okay 3.1 3.2, and again select this line, and this is a 3.2, and this is a 3.1. okay, this is 3.1 is correct, and preview is showing here this is a correct. Okay, Okay, looking so perfect. And okay, and this is a again select this face and position and sweep and vertical, and again select offset command is anywhere draw here, and this is a perfect. And okay, minus 5 is correct. Okay, and exit. Okay, and again select a surface stamp, click here, angle is 60 degree, and this is a okay, this is 20 is better, and this is a click here. Okay, this is a correct. And again select this is a 30 is also better, and again select a 40 is also better. Okay, and this is a 50 is also correct. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a 6 is okay, this is a 25 is correct. Okay, looking so perfect. This is a looking nice here, all is correct. This is a perfect. And click this is a and double click here. Okay, this is a perfect. And okay, this is a 42 is better, and click okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and click this, and this boundary is apply here, and use this command is a teardrop, and length is 1 millimeter, and also radius is 1 millimeter, and this is a okay, this is a boundary is apply here, and this is a correct. And all is perfect, looking so nice here. And okay, this is a this, and material is apply here, this is a correct. And okay, this is a looking here so nice, and material is correct. And metal, okay, steel is draw here, steel is material is used here. Okay, and this is a right click and property is a this is a reflectivity is very high, and okay, this is a perfect. And also this is a looking so perfect. Okay, this is a okay, this body is a correct. Okay, this is a looking isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this is a okay, and this is a multi view is also drawing here. And okay, this is a zoom out. Okay, this is a correct. And also this body is a this and zoom out. Okay, this is a perfect. And this is a back side. Okay, this is a back side is okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this body is a perfect, and this is a zoom out. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is a looking so perfect. And also this is a zoom out. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, okay guys, this 3D body is looking perfect, and I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, next project is coming soon, and all project is basic to advanced project it is learn here one by one. Okay guys, next project is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.